Hey there, gorgeous. Are you ready to unlock your entrepreneurial spirit and create a thriving online business? The digital world is bursting with opportunity, and now with the power of AI, it's easier than ever to dive in and start profiting from your passions. Let me introduce you to your new secret weapon, AIDigiMaker. AIDigiMaker is not just another software, it's your all-in-one platform for creating and selling high-quality digital products effortlessly. Imagine this: AI-powered tools that generate stunning websites, captivating ebooks, eye-catching stickers, trendy t-shirt designs, and even those super shareable AI prompts all at your fingertips. Gone are the days of wrestling with complicated software or spending countless hours on design. AIDigiMaker takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, sharing your unique gifts with the world and building a business you love. Let's talk about what makes AIDigiMaker truly special. This platform is packed with AI-powered features designed to make your life easier and your business more profitable. First up, we have the AI-driven product generators. Want to create a stunning website in minutes? No problem. Need an attention-grabbing ebook to establish yourself as an expert? AIDigiMaker has got you covered, but wait, there's more. AIDigiMaker boasts a built-in store overflowing with over 15,000 ready-to-sell digital assets. That's right, you can literally start selling from day one, even if you haven't created your own products yet. Talk about a game changer. And the best part? You only pay once for AIDigiMaker. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, just pure profit potential. With AIDigiMaker, you're not just buying software, you're investing in a business partner that's with you every step of the way. From product ideation to creation and finally to selling and scaling your business, AIDigiMaker empowers you to embrace your entrepreneurial dreams and turn them into a reality. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, Marie, but is AIDigiMaker right for me? And the answer is a resounding yes. Whether you're a complete beginner taking your first steps into the world of online business, or a seasoned entrepreneur looking to streamline your processes and boost your profits, AIDigiMaker has something for you. If you're new to this, don't worry. AIDigiMaker's intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it incredibly easy to navigate. Plus, with the wealth of resources and support available, you'll never feel lost or overwhelmed. And for the seasoned pros out there, AIDigiMaker's powerful features and automation capabilities will free up your time and allow you to focus on what you do best: growing your empire. No matter your skill level or experience, AIDigiMaker provides a level playing field, empowering you to compete and thrive in the ever-evolving digital marketplace. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and create the business of your dreams. Section 4. Your profits, your way, the beauty of commercial licensing. One of the most incredible things about AIDigiMaker is its dedication to your success. And nothing screams success louder than keeping 100% of your hard-earned profits. That's right, you heard me correctly. AIDigiMaker comes with a commercial license, meaning you have full ownership and control over everything you create. Sell your digital masterpieces on popular platforms like Etsy, Amazon KDP, or your own Shopify store, and watch the money roll in, all yours to keep. No more sharing your earnings with platforms or worrying about complicated royalty structures. AIDigiMaker puts you in the driver's seat, allowing you to build a sustainable and profitable business on your own terms. This level of financial freedom is truly empowering, giving you the flexibility and security to design a life you love. Whether you dream of traveling the world, spending more time with loved ones, or simply having the peace of mind that comes with financial independence, AIDigiMaker can help you get there. Section 5. AIDigiMaker, your partner in digital success. In a world of endless possibilities, AIDigiMaker stands out as a beacon of empowerment, innovation, and opportunity. It's more than just a platform, it's a movement, a community of passionate creators and entrepreneurs all striving towards a common goal: financial freedom and creative fulfillment. Yes, there might be challenges along the way. You might encounter limitations in customization options, or the market might feel saturated. But remember, with AIDigiMaker by your side, you're never alone. This platform provides you with the tools, resources, and support you need to overcome any obstacle and emerge victoriously. So, are you ready to take the leap and embark on an exciting journey of digital creation and financial empowerment? I believe in you. With AIDigiMaker, the power is in your hands to create a business and a life you truly love. Go out there and make it happen.